you know? Only 5% of small business owners retire before the age of 50, but those who do often retire with millions. Imagine being part of that elite group, financially free and living life on your terms. Or consider this. Amy, a former bakery owner, retired at 39 after turning her passion for pastries into a thriving chain. She's now traveling the world while her businesses generate passive income. She didn't have a special advantage. She followed a plan. In this video, I'll show you how small business owners, like Amy, achieved financial success and retired early. By the end, you'll have a detailed roadmap for building wealth, avoiding common pitfalls, and retiring rich by 40. Let's dive in. Retiring rich by 40 as a small business owner isn't a pipe dream. It's a strategy, and one that's been successfully executed by countless entrepreneurs. Here's what we'll cover today. 1. Inspiring real-life stories of entrepreneurs who achieved early retirement. 2. The proven strategies they used to build wealth and secure financial freedom. 3. The challenges, risks, and obstacles they faced, and how you can navigate them effectively. 4. Practical, actionable steps to start your journey toward early retirement today. Stick around to the end, where I'll share bonus tips for sustaining wealth and living your dream lifestyle post-retirement. Let's talk about James, a 36-year-old who built a digital marketing agency from scratch. James initially struggled to find clients and juggled part-time jobs to keep his dream alive. He reinvested profits into income-generating assets like real estate and index funds. With time, his efforts paid off. By automating his agency and hiring talented managers, James scaled his business to operate without his daily involvement. This allowed him to retire with $3 million in assets, enjoying financial freedom while still earning passive income. Consider Marco, a software developer who turned his freelance gigs into a SaaS company. Marco focused on solving a niche problem and building a loyal customer base. By reinvesting in his team and technology, he grew his business into a subscription-based model. At 40, he exited the company with a multi-million-dollar deal. Now, he's an angel investor, helping others achieve success. Their journeys highlight that early retirement isn't limited to a specific industry or background. Whether it's leveraging technology, scaling a traditional business, or entering a high-demand niche, the possibilities are endless if you remain focused and adaptable. Key strategies for financial security and early retirement. Here's what these successful entrepreneurs had in common. 1. Create multiple income streams. Don't just rely on your business. Diversify into stocks, rental properties, or other ventures to safeguard against market downturns. A diversified portfolio ensures consistent income, even during economic uncertainty. 2. Automate and delegate. Build systems and hire the right people so your business can thrive without your constant involvement. This is key to creating time freedom. Think about outsourcing tasks that don't require your expertise, from accounting to social media management. 3. Invest early and consistently. Leverage the power of compounding by reinvesting profits into long-term growth assets, such as ETFs, mutual funds, or rental properties. Even modest monthly investments can grow exponentially over a decade. 4. Keep overheads low. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Even as your income grows, reinvest those savings back into your business or other wealth-building assets. Minimalism in business and personal life helps you stay focused on long-term goals. 5. Have a clear exit strategy. Plan for when and how you'll sell or step back from your business. Whether it's a buyout or passing it on, your exit strategy defines your path to retirement. Work with experts to determine the best valuation for your business when the time comes. 6. Prioritize personal development. Successful entrepreneurs continually improve their skills, whether it's financial literacy, leadership, or negotiation. Remember, the more value you add to yourself, the more value you can add to your business. 7. Leverage technology. Use software and tools to streamline operations, manage finances, and optimize customer engagement. Staying ahead in technology adoption can give you a competitive edge. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. While these strategies are effective, there are common pitfalls you'll need to avoid. 1. Overworking yourself. Many entrepreneurs burn out before they see success. Schedule time for self-care and build a support system to help with workload. Burnout can cloud judgment and lead to poor financial decisions. 2. Failing to save and invest. Reinvest wisely, but don't neglect personal savings. Set aside a portion of your income for future goals. Automate savings to ensure consistency. 3. Neglecting financial education. Knowledge is power. To stay ahead, regularly educate yourself about taxes, investments, and emerging financial trends. Consider attending seminars or hiring a financial coach. 4. Ignoring market trends. Stay adaptable to evolving customer demands and industry trends. Businesses that fail to innovate risk becoming irrelevant. Conduct regular market research to stay competitive. 5. Not having a safety net. Maintain an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses or revenue downturns. A safety net gives you peace of mind and room to pivot if needed. 6. Underestimating risk. Every investment or decision comes with risks. Conduct thorough research and consult with experts to mitigate them. Practical steps to start today. Set clear goals. Define what early retirement looks like for you. Is it financial independence or complete work freedom? Write down specific milestones to track progress. 2. Track your finances. Use tools or hire a financial advisor to monitor your income, expenses, and investments. Apps like Mint or YNAB can simplify budgeting. 3. Build a scalable business model. Focus on products or services that can grow without significant additional effort. Recurring revenue models, such as subscriptions, are particularly effective. 4. Start small. Don't let fear of failure paralyze you. Even small investments or business improvements can have a big impact over time. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. 5. Network and learn. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals and mentors who have achieved what you aspire to. Join industry groups, attend conferences, and build meaningful connections. 6. Document your journey. Keep records of your progress, challenges, and milestones. Not only does this help with reflection, but it also inspires others and creates additional opportunities to share your expertise. Retiring rich by 40 isn't just about financial freedom. It's about designing a life you love. Whether you're just starting out or scaling your small business, the decisions you make today will shape your future. Remember, wealth is built one step at a time with focus and determination. Imagine waking up every day with the freedom to choose your path, not because you need to earn, but because you want to live. That's the life waiting for you if you follow these principles. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who need this guidance. Comment below about your business goals or challenges. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Also, check out our related videos for deeper dives into the strategies discussed today. Together, let's make financial independence a reality.